Okay, going home. It has been a very interesting winter for us because we have actually had a winter this year. It froze for a couple of days and we even got some snow. Last time we got snow was 10 years ago, and prior to that it was 114 years. But we are enjoying the winter while we can. We are also right in the middle of flu season, and during cold weather more people stay inside, and therefore it is easier to get sick. So whenever we hear sneezing around the classrooms or in the office, I always ask the custodians to disinfect the area to make sure that people don't get sick. So sneezing is a bad sign, but that hasn't always been the case. Historically, we know that in the old days, people used to think that sneezing cleared your mind, and it was a good thing because of the excitement in your brain that you felt right after a sneeze. So sneezing was a good thing. It even happened that during the 17th century, sneezing was a fashionable thing to do. And the more you sneezed, the classier you were considered. It got to the point that people wanted to sneeze all the time. And so they started buying things that would cause them to sneeze. We call that snuff. And snuff could be made out of tobacco or other herbs that cause you to sneeze. It was very common at parties for people to be sneezing on purpose to show that they had class. The whole thing about sneezing evolved over the years, and different rules came into play. Of course, only the wealthy people and the nobility had time to sneeze. Everybody else was busy working. So at one point, what happened was that they decided that they would sneeze during certain conversations. If all of a sudden you became uninterested in the conversation, or you disagreed with what the person was saying, you would sneeze to show disapproval. Being able to sneeze on cue was considered very classy. That, by the way, is where the term "nothing to sneeze at" comes from. And so now you know. I hope that everybody's having a great winter season. Stay warm if you're in a cold area, and most of all, stay healthy. And please cover your sneezes and your coughs. My goodness.